another question came. If our body is an animal, which it really is, how can we train it? Just like you would train, let's say you have a horse. How do you train a horse? You put those things in his mouth, you have the reins in your hand, and then you tell the horse where to go. And in the meantime, you give the best food to your horse. You massage your horse. You bathe your house. What will happen? The horse will love you, and you will love it. So treat your mind of the body as if it's an animal, which it really is. It's controlled by the animal brain. All bodily sensations are felt by the animal brain.